The rotary engine is different from the regular piston engines most cars use. Instead of pistons moving up and down, a rotary engine uses a triangular rotor that spins in an oval chamber. As the rotor turns, it creates 3 separate chambers for intake, compression, and combustion, all happening at the same time. First, the rotor passes the intake port and draws in an air-fuel mixture. Next, it compresses the mixture. Then the spark plugs ignited, causing combustion that pushes the rotor. Finally, the exhaust gases exit through the exhaust port.